Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video. Today I'm making a process video to show you how simple it is to use the Simple Pages by Simple Stories as part of our Instagram hub with Simple Stories for National Scrapbooking Day. So I am using the page kit Sunny Days, and once you open your package, it comes with your background pages with some embellishments and die cuts. No need for cutting. I will be doing some machine stitching and I'll be using some cardstock and pattern paper just to add some dimension to the page. But basically what the Simple Pages are, they come once you open the package. You also get a page with the instructions to put together 4 different layouts, 2 double page layouts. So the first thing we need to do is we have our background sheet, and then we're adding 2 different strips. We have a cream floral strip and a solid red one, and you can see here how I'm using one of the Simple Stories cardstocks and a piece of pattern paper to add a couple of layers before I glued my photo to the actual background that comes in the Simple Pages kit. I'm also using some adhesive foam to keep adding texture and dimension to the project. And you're gonna see a couple of variations from the original layout. But basically what you'll see is instructions step by step on how to put together beautiful layouts that won't take more than half an hour for you to put a double spread. Almost each one of the Simple Story collections comes with the Simple Pages kit, so it is a wonderful way to start. It is a great way if you're starting with scrapbooking, if you're still afraid of layouts, feel free to grab one of this when you get your Simple Stories kits, and you'll see how easy it is. Also, the fact that you get the instructions, the fact that you know exactly where to put everything will make it super easy. Now, the other thing that I think it is fantastic is if you feel that you want to challenge yourself, if you think that you want to go the extra mile, also feel free to change, especially the placement of the embellishments. And here's the thing, on one side you know exactly how your layout is going to look if you keep it the way it comes. If you follow the instructions step by step, you'll see you know exactly how it's going to turn out. But if you use some other elements, or if you decide to change the placement or even add the machine stitching or some other details, you can end up with a completely different result. But you didn't have to reach out for separate embellishments. You didn't have to reach out for not even your scissors, not even your paper trimmer. Everything comes in one package, ready to use, ready to stick on the pages. So we are almost ready here. I am adding a couple of elements, so a couple of hearts here, and then I want to add separate journaling. So I just got 3 strips of cardstock and I'm adding my journaling there. And then I think only one more blue heart on the right side of my right photo, and we'll be done. It is as simple as that, my friends. This is the very first time that I get one of these kits, and I can tell you, I am not a double spread scrapbooker, but with this Simple Pages, I think this is gonna be my way to go when it comes to double page spreads. Okay, so here is the other 2 pages that we get for our background. Same thing, if you flip the instruction page on the opposite side, you will get the instructions step by step to assemble your layout on each one of the pages on the left side and the right side. The main change that I did here, apart from I again added some machine stitching for dimension and texture, the main change is it has space. So the 2 blue 3x4 background pieces are meant to be for photos. I just used, since I had the Sunkissed collection as well, the paper collection, so I used some of the 3x4 cards. I have only 2 photos on the left side, 2 6x4 photos, and then 1 journaling or pocket life card that goes right next to it instead of a 3rd photo. I'm not adding any cardstock or separate piece of pattern paper for my photos. I'm just using the adhesive foam. Place them right next to each other. All right there, super easy. You can see that I have my instructions, and I put the page there exactly for the same reason that we were talking about previously. If I go by the book, by the instructions, I know exactly how mine is going to turn out, but we're going to play with the placement of things a little bit. I am also going to be using one additional thing that it's not part of the kit, is 2 chipboard stickers. Those are from the same collection, but these chipboard stickers are not part of the Simple Pages kit. And what I did with, again, the 3x4 blue piece of cardstock was supposed to be used as a background for another photo. I used, again, from the collection, from the paper collection, a 3x4 card, and then and I created a pocket. So on the left side of this page, there's a pocket to keep my journaling. Just brought one of the sticker books to add a phrase, to add something down there. This is another chipboard sticker, and we are almost done. Super easy, really fun to work with. You can sit down, and in 1 hour, you don't really need more than that. In 1 hour, you can have 4 layouts, 2 double page spreads, and you can move on. And the other good thing with this, make sure that you keep your instruction sheet, because you can definitely use it if you have, let's say, only one of the Simple Pages kits, but you want to keep creating, or you want to create one that it's relatively similar. Make sure that you keep your instructions and try to follow them as you go. here you can see I ended up adding some thread on each one of the pages. I decided that if I was going to add it on the right side, it was only fair to add it as well on the left side. These are some of the elements that go inside that pocket. Super easy, beautiful pages. Here we come with the second one. You can see the details on the stitching. Definitely not something you need to do. I just did it because I do love machine stitching on my scrapbooking projects. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm leaving you with some close-up pictures, and make sure you check all of the Instagram pages from the Simple Stories design team. There are absolutely amazing projects. We were free to use whatever collection and make whatever project we wanted to make. So I decided to try the Simple Pages, the page kit for the Sunkissed collection for the very first time, and I could not be happier. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. This was Andrea for Simple Stories for National Scrapbooking Day as part of our Instagram hop. I will see you next time. Bye bye.